Here we go.
Okay, so how many of you have heard of the environmental issue of deforestation? That's actually really good. Okay, so when I was in high school, I had this Spanish teacher, and she was really obsessed with frogs. So she went to Brazil and actually tried to observe them in their habitat, which is the rainforest. And I was expecting her to come back really excited about everything she'd learned. But she was actually really bummed, I guess, about the fact that all of the forests that she saw were kind of bare. So she was really the first person to instill in my mind that we have a big impact on climate change and the destruction of our forests. So according to the World Wildlife Fund, 18.7 million acres of forests are lost each year due to deforestation. And to put that into perspective, that's about 27 soccer fields per minute, which is so crazy. Deforestation is a global phenomenon that has been brought about primarily by human consumption and is causing a drastic decline in the future of our forests. So today I will be discussing what deforestation is, its causes, and its impacts on the natural world. So first I'll discuss what deforestation is. According to nationalgeographic.com 2018, deforestation is the loss of forests due to on a massive scale, and it often leads to a lot of like a decline in the quality of the land. So Earth still has about 30% of forest cover, but at the current rate, all of our rainforests will be gone in about 100 years. According to Pachman Regional Formation and Development Studies 2018, the forests are the lungs of our planet, but unfortunately the pressures on them are insistent, and that is causing a lot of strain on them. So the rate at which they're being taken out is much faster than the rate that they can replenish themselves, which is really bad for climate change, because if there's too much carbon dioxide, then that's just going to pollute our atmosphere. So now that we've talked about what deforestation is, we can move on to the causes of deforestation. According to livescience.com 2018, half of Earth's forests that are legally cut down are used for fuel. Some other common causes are to be used as a way to create more land for housing and for cattle ranching. It can also be used to harvest timber to create paper and houses and furniture, and it's also a way to create consumer goods like palm oil, which is actually one of the most commonly used vegetable oils, and we use about 66 tons of it annually. Palm oil is not only bad for the forest, but it's also bad for the animals that are living in the forest, because the animals, as we cut down their forest habitat, the animals like the orangutans and a lot of elephants are being pushed closer and closer to extinction. According to Sajjad, Pakistan Journal of Scientific and I can't remember the rest of it. Pakistan Journal of Scientific and Industrial Development, 2018. All of their field studies showed that out of the many causes of deforestation, the number one that they found was agriculture, specifically slash and burn agriculture, which is when they cut down the trees and then they burn whatever's left, and the remaining ashes are used as nutrients for their next planting cycle. So it's kind of very destructive in that way. Now that we've talked about the causes of deforestation, we can move on to its effects. According to the worldwildlife.org 2018, deforestation can lead to decreased biodiversity, increased greenhouse gas emissions, and a disruption of water cycles and livelihoods. according to Kasinga, Viability and Durability 2018, deforestation can also lead to an increase in climactic events such as massive flooding and a lot of droughts and colder periods during the wintertime. So this is happening in Haiti, as you can see here. They're experiencing a lot of flooding because 98% of their forest cover has been lost over the years. And that is bad because there's no tree roots to hold the soil in place or to suck up water from the soil. Overall, I hope you guys all learned something new about deforestation. To recap, I went over what deforestation is, its causes, and its impact on the natural world. Deforestation is a global phenomenon that has been occurring primarily due to human consumption and is causing a sharp decline in the future of our planet. If you guys want to learn more about it, I recommend Before the Flood or The 11th Hour on Netflix, which both follow Leonardo DiCaprio, who is actually the UN, the United Nations Messenger of Peace for the Climate. So he goes over not only deforestation, but also other problems like the melting ice glaciers and also the dying coral reefs. So I highly recommend it. Thank you.